The iPhone 15 Pro Max is coming with more upgrades than we expected, and today we've got plenty to share, including the price, specs, and the features. Let me know in the comments who out there is waiting for the iPhone 15 and which model you're waiting for. So first story of the day, we've got news of new color choices coming to the iPhone 15 series. Reports are stating that the iPhone 15 Pro is going to be coming in a crimson red color, the iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus are going to be coming in green, and according to leaker Unknowns21 on Twitter, the Pro and maybe the Pro Max are going to come in a new dark blue color, similar to what we saw on the iPhone 12 series. And what's also interesting is that it appears to be a titanium material, confirming that the previous reports of a titanium iPhone 15 were correct. Now, the titanium not only adds a different brush finish to the iPhone 15, but it's also going to help protect the phone and increase the durability. Something else that's going to protect your iPhone is today's video sponsor, the CaseCoo CloudCush case. Now, the new CloudCush case provides air cushion technology that not only looks great and provides a nice solid grip, but it also protects your phone with a 3-meter military-grade drop resistance thanks to its 360-degree air cushion. I like its silky smooth design that feels great to hold in your hand, and it also comes in a range of different colors from black and beige all the way to green and pink, and they're also currently running an exclusive testing campaign for the CloudCush cases where you'll receive a free sample of the product to share a review on social media, and you can also win a free $5 Amazon gift card or a $10 CaseCoo coupon after submitting your review. Now, of course, links are down in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Now back to the iPhone 15. We've got great news that although the phones do look similar and they are a similar size, we could be getting some upgrades to the battery capacities across the whole range. The news comes from an inside source at Foxconn who assembled the iPhones, and it says at least one of the iPhone 15s are going to get a battery capacity increase of 18%. Now, according to the report, the iPhone 15s are going to pack a 3,877 mAh battery, the 15 Plus gets a 4,912, the 15 Pro gets a 3,650, and then the 15 Pro Max gets an upgrade to 4,852 mAh. Now, battery life has always been pretty decent in the iPhones, so upgrading the physical capacity along with the new, more efficient chipsets is going to boost things even further. Now, according to Ming-Chi Kuo, we're also getting an upgrade to the ultra-wideband chips, and it's mainly because of the new Apple Vision Pro. The new augmented reality headset was showcased at WWDC, and the iPhone 15 is going to upgrade from the previous 16nm ultra-wideband chip to a more advanced 7nm chip, and this will allow for both improved performance and reduced power consumption for the nearby interactions. Now, we've also got news that Apple is expected to introduce Wi-Fi 7 into the iPhones, but unfortunately it's not going to be in time for the iPhone 15 Pro models, and it's expected to start with the iPhone 16. Now, next up, we've got a case leaked from Majinbuu on Twitter, and he showcases a new case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It shows us pretty much exactly what we're expecting, a similar looking device but also slightly more curved, and as you can see, we've got a cutout above the volume rockers for the new action button. Now, next up, we've got a report from 9to5Mac that states that Apple's supply chain have been informed to mass produce 84 million new units, and this is to be made by the second half of 2023. While they weren't able to give any units for specific models, it's thought that the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are going to be produced in much larger numbers. The iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max have much more upgrades than the non-Pro models, and given the non-Pro models' similarities to the previous year's release, sales are expected to be much lower on those, but one big change that we'll be seeing to all 4 models is the introduction of USB Type-C. Now, we've also had plenty of reports for cost increases in the iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max, and it's pretty much thought that you can expect to pay up to $200 more than last year's launch price, so that could mean the iPhone 15 Pro Max starts from $1,299. So that's all the information I've got for today, but as soon as anything else comes in, I'm going to be sharing it straight away, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.